apply the bumper to the inside of the side rails, bring the padded section across the top of the side rail and connect the zip, and then keep the padded section to the top of the side rail as you zip down the bumper. Push the lower part of the side rail down the side of the mattress, and this will automatically line up so you can connect the zip and finish installing the bumper. It's important that you have the padded section to the inside of the bumper and the mesh between the two rails. The reason we use a black mesh is so that you can see through it. If we have a white mesh, you'll focus on the mesh rather than what's at the other side of the mesh. So when you extend the bed, you can use the 200mm extension. So again, padding to the inside of the bed, connect the zips together, and then you have a small Velcro section here that links the two bumpers together. Put it on and close the Velcro between the mesh, and then you have a little overlap here on the inside of the bed so that there is no gap between the two parts. So this is how you shouldn't fit the 2-bar bumper. So take the zip from the bottom padded section and the zip from the top padded section, so as you can see now, the padding is not in the correct position. There is no mesh showing through the rail. So again, this is an example of how you shouldn't fit the 2-bar bumper.